Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Ninja Foodi Multi Cooker on the market, the Ninja MC1001 Foodi PossibleCooker Pro. This versatile kitchen powerhouse is designed to simplify your cooking experience by combining 14 different cooking tools into one sleek, efficient appliance. Whether you're slow cooking, steaming, baking, or even searing, this multi-cooker has you covered with its impressive 8-in-1 functionality. The Ninja Foodi PossibleCooker Pro comes with an 8.5 quart capacity, making it perfect for cooking meals for a large family or entertaining guests. Imagine preparing a hearty chili for up to 20 people, or a big batch of pulled pork for 30 sliders. This cooker handles it all with ease. Its design features a removable non-stick pot made from durable aluminum, which is oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. This means you can start cooking on the device and finish your dish in the oven to get that perfect crispy finish, all without transferring to another dish. One of the standout technologies in this cooker is the triple fusion heat technology. This system combines bottom, side, and steam heat to cook food up to 30% faster than a conventional oven. This means your meals not only cook faster but also more evenly, unlocking new possibilities for home cooking. For those who love to sear proteins or sauté vegetables, this multi-cooker allows you to do it directly in the pot, so you can skip the extra pans and cleanup. The 8 cooking functions you get include slow cook, sear, sauté, steam, keep warm, sous vide, braise, bake, and proof. This variety ensures you can experiment with different cooking styles all using one device. The included glass lid is designed to let you monitor your food without losing heat, and it even features an integrated utensil rest for the multifunctional spoon that comes with the cooker. This handy utensil doubles as a ladle and pasta fork, adding even more convenience to your cooking process. In terms of design, the Ninja PossibleCooker Pro has a modern sea salt gray finish that fits seamlessly into any kitchen. It's easy to operate with its touch controls and 8 preset settings, taking the guesswork out of cooking times and temperatures. The cooker weighs just over 12 pounds and measures 18 inches deep by 12.64 inches wide and 10.59 inches tall, giving you a good-sized appliance that still fits comfortably on your countertop. While it isn't dishwasher safe, the nonstick pot makes cleaning relatively simple. Plus, by replacing multiple appliances with this single unit, you're saving valuable kitchen space and reducing the number of dishes to wash overall. Power consumption is 825 watts, and it operates on standard 120-volt outlets, which is typical for kitchen appliances in the United States. If you plan to use it internationally, you might need a voltage converter. Overall, the Ninja MC1001 Foodi PossibleCooker Pro is a true multitasker, designed for anyone who wants to streamline their cooking process without sacrificing quality or flavor. It's perfect for busy households, entertainers, or anyone looking to expand their culinary creativity with one reliable appliance. If you're in the market for a slow cooker, steamer, sauté pan, Dutch oven, and more all-in-one, this Ninja Foodi model could be the perfect fit. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest reviews on the best products to enhance your home and lifestyle. See you next time.